Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Cross Creek Classics. We are back here today with another exciting episode that I know that thousands of our fans have been anticipating for a while. This is the completion of Blake's 86 S10, and we are here today live. Well, we're live right now with the finished product. So you guys have watched this since last year. We got about 7 months in this project. If you remember, this thing come in, it was pretty rough, but worked some magic on it here, got it done. Walking around here, you'll see we got the Outlaw 2 wheels on it, which is made famous by the ball hog trucks. And you'll see down here a little custom touch Blake wanted here, the infamous Yosemite Sam mud flaps. These were pretty popular back in the 80s there when this truck was new. See down here we got some custom dual exhaust tips. Make that small block V6 breathe a little bit better. Looking back here also, we got some stainless steel bed caps, tailgate protector, some true accessories you'd find back in the day, and then quite the array of stickers in the back window along with a gun rack. Got some pretty cool chrome letters here, guys. Got these off of eBay. There's a fellow that makes these on here. I can share a link if anybody wants to. He makes all different colors, so we went with the chrome. Kind of complements the back with the step bumper and the polished stainless trim. Kind of a chrome theme here on this truck. And I want to note too that Blake did all the paint and body work on this truck. I helped him do a little bit of sanding, but he did all the paint. We used the DuPont. I'm sorry, we used the PPG Essentials, Delfleet Essentials. That's a single stage catalyzed with a hardener and an activator. And then he painstakingly wet sand and buffed this thing. A little shot of our bed liner here. Don't mind the water. Blake just got done washing this. Alright guys, so Blake's gonna open up the door here. We'll give you a shot of the interior. There's Blake. Hi Blake. And we got some floor mats on top of floor mats. That's how you know if you're a car guy, when you have floor mats on your floor mats. So yeah, we got a set of GM mats here, guys. These are gray out of a parts truck we got, but yeah, you can see inside here we got look at this custom tack mounted on here. That way you can get the maximum RPMs out of this small block V6. We got factory fog lamp switch here we utilize for getting the fog lamps working. Picked up off of eBay here a factory GM 5-band equalizer radio. This was the Cadillac radio they have back in the day, and it's Bluetooth equipped. It's pretty cool. Works real nice. Again, if anybody has questions, I can share a link on eBay for the gentleman that built this for us. And yeah, got the old school seat cover here. This was on our square body dually for a little while till we got the seat cover in. Got the headliner in. That's new. We got that installed. They have some stock interiors. So Blake's gonna pop the hood up now. We'll show you this small block. We'll show you the small block V6. Look at that, guys, huh? Nothing says power and performance like a fuel injected 2.8.
With the air cleaner flip.
Yeah, we got the 30% power increase on this thing here with the supercharged air cleaner lid.
Turbo.
But yeah, it's not too bad under the hood. We didn't get too crazy with this thing. It's going to be his daily driver here, so we just want to clean it up, make it presentable. Now you can see in the front here, guys, too. I forgot to mention. We got the air dam on, the 2-wheel drive air dam with the fog lights. This was a kind of a cool addition back in the day to do. I had a couple of these trucks I did that on. I always thought it looked nice with the 4-wheel drives without having the tow hooks on there. If you go off-roading, you know, you're not going to tie one to a fog light, but sure looks cool. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this final video here. Blake's going to enjoy this truck now. We're into late March with this now, so all the salt and stuff is off the road. So he's going to drive this for the summer and the fall, and he wants to drive it year-round. So you'll be seeing him out on the road with it. And as always, guys, we appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, asking questions, and commenting. We'll catch you later. Thanks.